How's it going, everybody? Welcome to We Do Tech. Now for today's video, I have something a bit of an issue on my hand, and then also it could be a problem for a lot of other people, and that is about like other random channels just taking all of your videos and re-uploading it as theirs, making a few changes, but pretty much uploading all of your videos and getting views off that, subscribers off that, and also making money off of that. So this weekend, one of you guys, Brett, thank you for informing me. He tweeted me that this random channel uploaded one of my videos. Checked it out, saw that it was one of mine. All he did was pretty much add Vimeo in the thumbnail, and then also he cut out, I think in the beginning, a few seconds there. But pretty much 95% of the entire video was mine. Now, this isn't anything too new. I have gotten some other channels re-uploading some of my videos, or one or two videos, not like this many, or maybe just use like a thumbnail of mine. Then I usually comment, tell the guy to remove that, or I tell YouTube just to, or I report it. So pretty simple. It's just a bit of a hassle every time if somebody does a video like that. You kind of have to fill in all of the forums and everything. It just takes time and it's annoying. But now this is a bit of a different matter because this channel, and it's not just one, has uploaded on just the one that Brett sent me, was over 90 videos. So 91 videos, just to be precise, on the one channel, and on the other ones, it's around also over 80, and the other one I think over 60 or 70 videos. So in effect, it's around like 250 videos of mine uploaded. I'm not sure if it's everything like all of the videos, or he left out some and just duplicated the videos, but pretty much I have just under 300 videos on my channel. That is including like game live streams that I did, which is unlisted, and also some private videos. So pretty much almost my entire channel this guy has re-uploaded, and the way he does that, we can check, is the channel name is B45K5. Stupid name, but just right there you can see that it's a channel that just uses numbers to know which channel he actually has, because there is plenty of them. It's not just this one. So when I first saw this channel, I only saw like the 6 videos. That was pretty much it. I didn't see anything else, but only after I actually went in to dispute this channel, then I could see that it had a lot more videos. And also if you just go back, you should be able to see 91 videos. Pretty much everything only did was change the thumbnail, put in Vimeo, and that's all. So everything else, and again, it took out like a few seconds in the beginning of the video. Nothing like really that changes the video. It's nothing like fair use where you add something to the video. This guy didn't do anything like that, so he's pretty much just stealing my video. And the thing is, this isn't the only one. So if you go B45K4, this is another one. So this one has 2 subscribers, 74 videos, still all of mine. Okay, it does look like he has someone else's. I'll get into that as well. And then also K6. So this is also a lot of my videos, 92 videos. So, and all of that, like he doesn't really have subscribers or anything, but if you look at some of the views, it does tally a bit more. It's nothing too crazy, and it's nothing really gonna affect me a lot, but it might if I leave it for a while, because currently it is 3 months old. And I mean, if you leave it for like a year, it's possible that this channels can grow a bit more and get more views, and also, yeah, just affect me and the other people. Now, if you go to something, let's say K1, then you're as well 1 subscriber, 75 views, and it's from a different channel. So pretty much this random ass just pretty much took everybody else's videos, just uploaded a Vimeo on the thumbnail, and just re-uploaded the entire video, and now he is claiming it as his own. And I'm not sure if he has more. That's the problem, because it's a B45. So what if there's I can't find like a A45, so that doesn't work. But I mean, if he started with B, so it could be that he already had multiple of channels. I'm gonna recheck to see. So that's fine. But however, it goes up to around, I believe, 10, and you're still 94 videos. So in effect, he probably has over 1,000 videos of other people he just re-uploaded and is claiming as his own. And now it's, again, like I mentioned before, it doesn't really affect me that much. It's a few thousand views. It's nothing too crazy for me personally, even though I don't get crazy amount of views. But he's not making money per se off the videos because it's new channels, and with YouTube's new policies, you can't really make money once you first have to get like what 40,000 minutes of view time and something subscribers or so on. I can't really remember exactly what. So this guy isn't going to achieve that really. Maybe if I leave for like a year or so, maybe it's possible. But what this guy does is, let's just go on this channel because we already have it here. So all it has in the description is a buy on Amazon US link and then Amazon UK link. So this guy just linking the exact same links on all of those 1,000 videos, where if people click on that link and they buy something on Amazon, I think the link lasts for, or well, if once you click on it, it lasts for around 24 hours or something like that. And if you buy something off Amazon, they get a kickback off of the purchase. Doesn't matter what, if it's a PC, which is a lot of revenue, or if it's underwear, which is probably less revenue. He gets a kickback off that, and 1,000 videos can draw attention, and he could possibly make a few extra bucks there. It's all I think it's anything too crazy, but he is making money off that, and it's just not really fair. Now, the one problem I think I might have is that, yes, I did like claim or report this guy that he's using my videos, but I kind of had to report the entire channel as like impersonating me, which it kind of is, but kind of isn't as well, because it's not my name or anything like that, channel name. He did edit the thumbnails, and then also he did cut out some parts in the video. So I'm not sure if YouTube maybe might see that as he changed it, and it's not impersonating me, because otherwise I'm going to have to go in and report every single video, fill out a form and do all of that, which is a total pain. So over 250 times I have to go and do that if YouTube doesn't take action. Now, again, I have reported it. I actually did want to wait a couple of days for YouTube to try and sort this out, but after finding out that this guy had so many multiple channels, I just felt that I had to like inform you guys about this. And also because it's mostly tech stuff, it might affect a lot of other people as well, other channels. Again, I'm not sure how many of these versions of B45 or B20, I'm not sure. I haven't gone through everything, so I don't know how many other people is affected by this. So I just want to inform you guys about this douche that's kind of just re-uploading everybody else's videos, and I'm not sure really what's going to happen now. We'll probably just have to wait and see. It could also be because all of the videos, even on the previous ones, let's go to 10 again, everything is uploaded 3 months back. So the beginning of the year approximately. So 3 months back, every single video. So 1,000 videos re-uploaded in a month's time. That I'm not sure if it's a bot, that somebody actually wrote a bot or script that's able to download the videos, cut out a certain piece, put it in Vimeo in the thumbnails, and then upload it as well, and then put in the link. Because if a person did that, then kind of congrats, because you have a lot of free time to do that. I think it would have taken a really long time. So yeah, but it's just, I don't know. I'm kind of lost with words right here. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I don't know what else I could really do. I have reported the one channel I'm most likely going to report. I will report the other of my channels as well. I'm not too sure what the other, like this K10, I'm not sure from who it is, whose videos this guy has stolen. So I can't really report it per se. But if you guys know who this is, you can look around a bit, maybe see if you can find a more like fake channels, and then also report that, because that's pretty much the only thing we can do. And I'm not too sure what YouTube is going to do. Usually, because it's kind of changed, maybe they're not going to do anything. And these days also, to actually get something done, you kind of have to make a video about it, which is why I'm doing this, kind of spreading the word about the stupid douches, and then maybe more people can see it and YouTube can sort this out, because this is just going to keep on going. I don't think this guy is just going to end here. I mean, if he does make money, then he's gonna keep doing it because it's easy money for him. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, again, please go check these channels out, maybe report them as well, if you know the other channels which this guy is stealing from. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I will check all of you next time. Cheers, guys.